Good day everyone, I am Delma Bert B. Estacio, PSIT 1A student. So I chose probability theory because I want to learn more about probability theory. So what is probability theory? Probability theory is a branch of mathematics that deals with quantifying uncertainty. It helps us predict the likelihood of different outcomes. I use probability theory as an example because it allows for diverse examples in networking, AI, and cybersecurity, making it suitable for demonstrating real-world relevance as required by the instructions. Probability theory is a structured method to measure event likelihood, like 0 is equal to likelihood and 1 is equal to certain. Using favorable versus total outcomes, it has key concepts and branches and is used for risk assessment, predictions, and decision. Probability theory is used in IT or IS to power AI prediction, e.g. example, spam detection language models, cybersecurity risk assessment and anomaly detection, networking traffic management and fault tolerance, database query optimization and sampling, and programming for randomized tools like password generators. Example, networking. In networking, probability theory can be used to model the likelihood of network failures and design more robust networks. For instance, we can calculate the probability that a server will fail based on its historical uptime data. AI. In AI, probability theory is used extensively in machine learning algorithms. For example, Bayesian networks use probabilities to make predictions. Cybersecurity. In cybersecurity, probability theory helps in risk assessment by calculating the probability of different types of cyber attacks. Organizations can better allocate resources to predict against the most likely threats. Use visuals, examples, or short code snippets of possible. Example, show example probability calculation using a code snippet. So this is the example. Python of a server failing favorable outcomes is equal to 1. Server fails. Total outcomes is equal to 100 number total of servers. Probability is equal to favorable outcomes or total outcomes. Print f the probability of a server failing is probabilities. So through this project, I learned probability is a hidden engine in everyday tech, not just classroom math. It turns uncertainty into actionable numbers, making AI, networks, and systems more reliable and secure. I now see how critical math is to the technology we depend on, changing how I view every time interaction. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you understand, and thank you.